What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the freaking channel. So in today's video, I got something special. If you guys saw my community post, you guys know, and judging by the title of the video, you probably already know what it is. We have ourselves some HFP floor mats. Eventually they discontinued them. Very sought after floor mats. As you can see, they are pretty dirty. Yo, shout out to the homie Calvin in Canada. Yo, Calvin, if you're watching, matter of fact, I know you're watching. Thank you, bro. He wanted me to say something in Vietnamese, so I apologize to all my Vietnamese if you feel offended by what I'm about to say. Toma! Today, we're gonna just go ahead and clean these carpets. I'm gonna take it to the car wash. We're gonna get these washed up. I have to go to Costco to get some microfiber towels. And to be honest, the only reason I got that membership was to get those microfiber towels. So let's load these bad boys up. Just keep these rear ones here because these actually haven't been used. Oh, also, big brake kit coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're just gonna take these other ones. So yeah, let's go.
Powered by Honda.
All right, guys, so I didn't really know that Costco opens at 10 o'clock on a Saturday, so we have an hour. So right now, I'm just gonna vacuum these floor mats. Might as well use the free vacuums. Also, I wanted to ask you guys, like, do you guys like this view better, like this mini cam? Or you guys prefer the phone? Or... Oh, they're letting people in. Cool. Very nice. And your boy likes to park far because, you know, that's what it is. You know, I'm not trying to get hit by nobody. Ain't no carts, ain't no little kids opening up doors. None of that. We're going to try to minimize the interactions with my car. You know what I mean? Comment down below if you guys do the same damn thing I'm doing. But then you already know once we come back out, somebody's gonna be parked next to me. Look back at it. Secure the package, and we out of here. What's going on, gentlemen? How you doing? Yeah. All right. Money there for you, boss. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Have a good one. You too. Thank you. Have a good one. Shee, a little chilly out today. probably as good as this is gonna get. I'm gonna put these in the sun so they can dry off. So we are back at the house. Man, the HFP rugs have been sitting for a couple minutes in the sun. I'm probably gonna go over it again one more time with the spray. I do have a carpet cleaner, so I might hit it with that. I mean, from how they looked before, it's actually a lot better. It is a lot worse on camera than what it actually looks like. Really happy with the results. Again, Calvin, thank you so much, bro. You've always been helping me since like day one, bro, with all the 8th gen things. So I just want to say thank you, man. And I hope whatever car you get next, that you enjoy it. This is going to conclude this specific video. If you guys are new here, my name is Vic. I drive this 8th gen Civic. I mod it. I do vlogs. I do all kind of stuff, go to events, everything like that. So if you guys like what you see, please give it a like, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are working on next. Thank you again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.